In this video, we'll be talking about how to create an afterthought yarn over. If you're on your wrong side row and you notice as you're knitting across your row that you should have a yarn over in your work that's lined up column-wise underneath the stitch that you're supposed to be working, you can create an afterthought yarn over, which is essentially just what it sounds like, creating a yarn over after the fact. It accomplishes the same thing as a yarn over, but it has a little bit less yarn, so the hole can be a little bit smaller than a typical yarn over. For most knitting pieces though, you won't notice the difference. So to create an afterthought yarn over, take your resting needle and find the strand of yarn that connects the next stitch on your needle and the previous column of stitches on your needle. We're going to insert our needle from front to back through that, and then we have a yarn over that we can knit into or purl into or whatever needs to happen with that stitch. If it's not comfortable for you to use your resting needle hand to pick up that stitch, you can use your working needle hand. The only difference is that you'll want to pick it up from back to front. So insert your needle in that ladder from back to front and then transfer it over to the other needle. This ensures that you've got the front loop in the front for Western knitting and the back loop in the back. And just to go over that one more time, take your resting needle and insert it from front to back through the strand of yarn connecting the current column of stitches and the previous column of stitches. If you prefer to use your working needle, insert it from back to front and then transfer that over to the resting needle so that you can work into it. In this video, we talked about how to create an afterthought yarn over.